Hello, today we will guide you through how to change leverage on MT5 Mobile. To begin, open the MT5 app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, it's important to understand one key detail before you continue. On MT5 Mobile, you generally can't change the leverage on an account that has already been created. Instead, if you want a different leverage setting, you'll need to create a new account and choose the leverage during that setup process. Keeping that in mind will help this process make a lot more sense as you move through the app. From the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation area where you can manage accounts and access additional setup options. If you don't immediately see it, just make sure you're on the app's home or main account screen first. Next, tap the plus sign at the top of the screen. This button is used to add or create another account. Since leverage can't be modified on your current account, this is the step that lets you move forward by setting up a new one with the leverage you want. After that, tap on MetaQuotes. This takes you into the available account options under that provider. From there, choose Open Demo Account. This is the option you'll use in this flow to create a new account where you can select a different leverage setting. As you go through the setup screen, take a moment to review the available fields carefully so you don't miss the leverage section. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Leverage. This opens the list of leverage choices available for the new account. You can then select the leverage option you want to use. Be sure to choose carefully, since this setting affects how much market exposure your account can control relative to your balance. In simple terms, higher leverage can increase both potential gains and potential losses. So it's a good idea to pick a setting that matches your trading style and risk comfort level. Finally, select your preferred leverage from the available sample options. Once selected, you can continue with the rest of the account creation process inside MT5. And that's it. You now know how to change leverage on MT5 Mobile by creating a new account and choosing the leverage during setup. If you're following along on your own device, just move slowly through each screen and double-check your selections before finishing.